So clicking pictures with long hair is not really difficult. Just open your hair, let it flow and hit the shutter button. Well, the thing is, it doesn't go like that according to my experience, and I have got a lot of experience because sometimes the lighting won't be appropriate and the other times the wind is going to ruin your hair and even your clothes may not complement your hair at the right time. So in today's video, let's talk how we can make every single picture with long hair worth posting on the social media. This is Choudhary. We are the Alpha Army. Glad to have you on board. Now, lighting is one of the major concerns while clicking a picture. So, I'd suggest if you're taking some pictures indoors, try to position yourself under some sort of light. Because the light placed just over your head is going to act like a hair light. And that is going to make your top hair look really nice and your full buns divine. As every single hair strand is going to have some detail because the light is falling directly over it. And if you're shooting outside in the daylight, you don't need to worry about anything because the whole sky acts like a huge light source. Now, talking about outdoor shots, always remember that the light that sun provides is too harsh or too sharp, and using that for pictures is not gonna provide the best outcomes. And therefore, I believe the best time for shooting pictures outdoors is either early in the morning or in the evening instead. And if you were to ask me what time is better between the two, I'd say morning, because not only the light is really soft and perfect for pictures, there's also the least amount of people that can be found in any particular place, and no crowd means no disturbance. But I'm gonna disturb you a little to remind you, if you're enjoying what you're watching, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And there's also the Alpha Army Discord server waiting for you in the description. Now, while shooting outdoors, you may get a really good amount of lighting, but you may also be exposed to some other sort of difficulties such as wind. But while wind possesses the ability to ruin every single picture that we take, we can actually use the blowing wind to our own advantage. So if you're taking shots with open hair, you can actually make the wind blow your hair in the right direction in the right amount. Although I believe the best hairstyle for a windy day to take pictures is a full bun with flicks on both the sides, because it looks really sexy when those flicks blow. And also, before the intro, I said even your clothes may not complement your hair while taking pictures. And that generally happens when you've got dark colored hair and you're wearing a dark colored shirt underneath. Now, before you go ahead and write in the comment section, bro, you wear a black shirt in like 90% of your Instagram posts and 100% of YouTube thumbnails, hear this. I can do that because I have got a really good amount of lighting. And by a good amount of lighting, I certainly am not referring to the brightness or the intensity of light. I am referring to the number of light sources and their placements. I've got a main light or a key light placed at a 45-degree angle to provide a soft glow to the face as well as to the hair on this side. And to provide a better structure to my face if I'm wearing a full bun, or to provide lighting to this side of hair, I've got a fill light. And finally, I've got a third light placed right above my hair to provide some lighting from the above as a hair light to bring out some detail on the top hair as well. And therefore, it doesn't really matter what color we're gonna wear on the top if we're gonna have this type of lighting setup, because every single hair strand on our head is going to have some amount of light to reflect. So if you have a really decent amount of lighting, you're also welcome to wear the darkest color possible on the top. But aside from the color, there are some other ways that we can make our clothes complement our long hair really well. And we have done a dedicated video for that you can watch right now by clicking on the top right corner. Now, the best time for our hair to look the best in pictures is actually right before the wash, because that is the time when our hair is the most greasy and oily. And that might not look and feel good in real life, but that actually makes the hair look really great in pictures. because the more oil we've got in our hair, the more light it's gonna reflect and the more detail we're gonna have in our hair in the pictures. Now, of course, you can replicate the same thing by applying some sort of oil or serum to the hair, but then you're gonna get stuck with oily hair until you wash it again, plus the extra effort. So why go through the hassle of doing that separately? And that concludes the video, but if you've got anything to add, feel free to write it in the comment section so that we all can benefit from that. And while you're busy posting your awesome pictures on Instagram, why don't you tag me in some of those as well so that I can also get some inspiration from your astonishing picture ideas. But with that being said, I'll see you around.